So do you have problems getting your letters straight on your bulletin board? I know I do. So in this video, myself and my teaching partner here, Mr. Cherry, are going to show you a little teacher hack that he found on Pinterest to help get your bulletin board letters straight and neat on your bulletin board. So here is a Pinterest bulletin board teacher hack. My friend Mr. Cherry here is laying out some blue painter's tape. So this way you can lay out your letters so everything is nice and even up on your school bulletin board. So when you're cutting your letters out, you probably want to make sure you have a pretty thick cardstock, so when you start pulling the tape off these letters, it doesn't rip the letters in the process. Then lastly, just staple it in once you got everything lined up and how you want it, nice and even, and you will be almost good to go. Just got to take the painter's tape off last. Bulletin board is complete.